Naturally, get back your child's speech from so-called symptoms of autism, which is speech delay. First thing, make your child come to Jamaica. Environment is everything. 13 months of sun, standing bare feet, leaks, mercury from the brain going down and go to the ground, right where the ground absorbs this mercury. Also, the child get the chance to charge. Number 2, having the child going to beach before the morning rise. So before the sun comes out in the early morning, the beach water is high in different minerals. Check it out. Do your research. So you're giving the child a bath where it can absorb minerals, and this too will allow the child to release mercury from the body because salt heals. Number 3, have your child looking in the 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. sun. That is if they're in a Caribbean country where the sun is real. 4, everything you're doing with your child, talk to your child. It doesn't matter how stupid it's all. Do not use baby talks to your child. Talk to your child like you're talking to an adult. And finally, number 5, our mouth is our problem. Your teeth dig your grave if you don't know what you speak or eat. Stop feeding your child with baby formulas, milk, cheese and butter from animals, meat and sugar. Substitute it all. Come over to the Knowledge of the True Virgin Foundation. Yes, so we give your child a 3 proportional regime. We balance your child pH, which makes your child balance with whatever charge the body have, positive and negative. We work on the gut. There is a shit in the gut of your child that needs to be removed from whatever nastiness they have been eaten. And we detox your child from mercury from the left hemisphere of the brain. And also you get a consultation with a specialist who have worked with these children for over 15 years to give you techniques and nutritional schedule. You couldn't ask for better. Come over, grab your last and come. You know, see whole heap of youths in a jam down want help now. Lock off the vaccine and come. Whoa, yo. You know, make them joke them no, man. Come over here, man. We help them. One love.